Welcome to Tiny Bites. Here's your host, citizen scientist in neurology, neuroplasticity, and positive psychology, Sandy Weaver.
Are you feeling limp today? Make decisions. It doesn't really matter what you make decisions about, just decide. Jeans or pants today? Pullover or button down? Chocolate or pink lipstick? Flats or heels? Home brew or drive-through? Decide something, anything. Making decisions keeps you focused in the present, and being present helps you notice what's going on around you. When you notice what's going on around you, your mind gets engaged in thinking about the events and all the options. That can be stressful, so to counteract the stress, just decide. Then decide again. There is such a thing as decision fatigue. The brain makes better decisions earlier in the day, and when you have a day where you've had to make too many decisions, you can end up feeling wrung out. That's not what I'm talking about. When you start the day feeling that way, just decide, and then decide again. You'll jumpstart your coping skills and create the mental atmosphere for success.
Subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends. And there's lots more at centerforworkplacehappiness.com. Here's to your well-being, one tiny bite at a time.